Hello everyone. Have you ever wished you could turn your imagination into a full AI video just by typing your idea? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that using AIPAI.ai, an amazing tool that turns your text prompts into complete videos automatically. You can easily convert your ideas into videos within minutes. No editing skills needed. The link is available in the description. Once you click on it and create an account, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, at the center, there's a prompt bar where you can type what kind of video you want to create. Below that, you can see all your recent projects. So, let's try an example. I'll type this prompt: create a 1-minute fantasy-style anime short film. The protagonist is a young girl with magical abilities who meets a lost spirit in the forest, and together they solve a mysterious problem. The visuals are vibrant and the soundtrack is soothing. Now I'll hit the generate button. The AI will start processing. So wait here patiently. It will automatically generate everything: the dialogues, scenes, character names, storyboards, and even images. Once the dialogues are ready, it moves on to the storyboard step. You can see how it's creating visuals for each part of the story, all from a single prompt. And here we go. Our processing is done, and here are the final results.
In the heart of the enchanted forest, young Luna searched for rare magical herbs, but something unusual caught her attention. A fading light, barely visible. She discovered Wisp, a forest spirit who had lost his way and his light.
Don't worry, little one. I'll help you find your way home.
The Moonstone. I must find the Moonstone Shrine.
Together, they set off on a journey through the mystical woods.
Here you can see that our video results are truly incredible. If you want to make any changes, you can easily do so. On the screen, you'll find the scenes, dialogue, and storyboard of your video. If you wish to modify something, just type your command in the box at the bottom right corner, and it will update automatically. Now, let's try another example. This time, I'll use the prompt: a man walks through a rainy city street at night, neon lights reflecting on the wet pavement. With cinematic lighting and a dramatic atmosphere, I'll hit the generate button, and the processing will begin. It may take a few moments, so be patient. The tool first creates the characters, scenes, summary, storyboard, and much more. If you want to adjust anything during this process, you can simply type a command. For example, I'll type generate a full detailed video. And here, you can see our video is ready. And it has perfectly matched the description I gave. You can also customize your project settings. In the Settings tab, you can change the script name, aspect ratio, video style, and more. Once done, you can publish, download, or preview your video directly from the platform. Let's try one more example. This time, something funny. I'll enter this prompt. The main character is an orange cat. Create a 15-second funny short video suitable for social media and end the video with a freeze frame on the cat's facial expression. After clicking generate, I will once again start creating everything: characters, summary, dialogues, scenes, and storyboard. And finally, show the complete video. And that's how simple it is. You can generate all kinds of videos, emotional, cinematic, or funny, just by writing your ideas as text prompts. The link to AIPAI.ai is available in the video description. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.